We don't talk about this. We don't film this. We don't advertise this. And I'm getting a little choked up even thinking about it. But every afternoon at Refuge, before the big brown truck shows up for kids to go out, the whole team circles up and kneels down and prays over those kids, that those kids will get to the right people at the right time, with the Father's purpose, with His timing, with His logistics, and that they will be used for the preservation of life. Because we have gotten so many emails from people, aid rendered and lives saved, where they ordered the kit and it arrived like that morning, and they put it in their truck, they threw it in their backpack or whatever, and then that day, I mean, there's law enforcement officers through Project Tribute, like they got their Refuge kits that day, and then that day somebody shot them up and filled them full of bullet holes, and praise y'all, they had a Refuge kit on them, they could put themselves back together again. Before that, they didn't have anything. And so, like, we've seen the Father's hand in that timing so many times. It's like, we better make sure we talk to Dad and ask his blessing on these kids before they go out the door. And that is not a selling point. This is not me trying to endear you towards the company. It's just a fact. I'm telling you that because it's a fact. And because we don't talk about it at Refuge. We don't film it. We don't put it in our marketing because it's not that. It's not about that. It's making sure that these kits get to the right people in the right time with the Father's will for the preservation of life. And it's super cool.